Transform your backyard into a chill zone. Landscaping ideas for unforgettable hangouts. Creating a serene and inviting backyard is the perfect way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. By transforming your outdoor space into a chill zone, you can create an unforgettable hangout spot for relaxation and entertainment. In this article, we will explore some easy landscaping ideas to help you achieve a backyard makeover that will leave your guests in awe. From backyard transformation to outdoor living, we will cover every aspect to ensure you have a professional and inviting relaxation space. Backyard transformation. Assess your space. Before diving into the landscaping process, evaluate the size and layout of your backyard. Take note of any existing features, such as trees or structures, that can be incorporated into your design. Define your vision. Decide on the purpose of your backyard. Are you looking for a tranquil oasis for personal relaxation or a vibrant space for outdoor entertainment? Define your vision to guide the rest of your landscaping decisions. Easy landscaping ideas. Paving and pathways. Create a seamless transition from your indoor to outdoor space by incorporating well-designed pathways and paving. Use materials such as stone or brick to add elegance and durability to your backyard design. Lush greenery. Incorporate a variety of plants and flowers to add color and texture to your backyard. Choose low-maintenance options, such as native plants, to ensure your outdoor space remains beautiful throughout the year with minimal effort. Water features. Add a touch of tranquility to your chill zone by incorporating a water feature, such as a fountain or a small pond. The soothing sound of running water will create a calming ambience, perfect for relaxation. Unforgettable hangouts. Outdoor seating. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture that is both stylish and durable. Opt for weather-resistant materials like teak or aluminum to ensure your seating area remains inviting and functional. Lighting. Enhance the atmosphere of your chill zone by incorporating various lighting options. From string lights to solar-powered lanterns, create a warm and inviting ambience that can be enjoyed even after sunset. Entertainment area. Consider adding an outdoor kitchen or a fire pit to take your hangouts to the next level. These features will not only provide functionality but also create a focal point for social gatherings. Transforming your backyard into a chill zone is an exciting project that will enhance your outdoor living experience. By incorporating easy landscaping ideas, you can create an unforgettable hangout space that is both inviting and functional. From a backyard transformation to incorporating water features, lush greenery, and comfortable seating, every aspect of your outdoor space should be carefully considered. By following these professional tips, you can achieve a backyard makeover that will impress your guests and provide you with a relaxing retreat just steps from your home. Creating a tranquil and inviting outdoor space is essential for unwinding and enjoying quality time with friends and family. With a little creativity and some easy landscaping ideas, you can transform your backyard into a relaxing chilled zone that everyone will love. In this article, we will explore various techniques to enhance your backyard's aesthetics, functionality, and overall ambience, turning it into an unforgettable space for hangouts and outdoor entertainment. Planning your backyard transformation. Assess your backyard's current state and envision your ideal chill zone. Consider the available space, your budget, and the purpose of the area. Determine key elements such as seating areas, greenery, and focal points. Backyard landscaping and design ideas. Incorporate natural elements. Introduce lush green grass, flower beds, and shrubs for a vibrant ambience. Add a water feature like a fountain or small pond to create a soothing atmosphere. Install stepping stones or a pathway to guide guests through your backyard. Create a relaxation space. Install a hammock between two trees or invest in a comfortable outdoor lounge area. Consider adding a pergola or gazebo to provide shade and shelter. Install outdoor lighting to create a cozy atmosphere during evening hangouts. Enhance outdoor entertainment. Set up an outdoor kitchen or barbecue station for culinary delights. Install a fire pit or outdoor fireplace for warmth and ambience. Create a designated space for outdoor games such as a bocce court or horseshoe pit. The importance of outdoor living. Benefits of spending time outdoors. Improved mental and physical well-being. Boost in creativity and inspiration. Opportunities for socializing and building stronger relationships. Incorporating nature into your daily life. Designate a small area for gardening and cultivating your own herbs or vegetables. Use natural materials like wood and stone in your backyard design. Encourage wildlife by incorporating bird feeders and butterfly-friendly plants. By implementing these easy landscaping ideas, you can transform your backyard into a captivating chill zone that will leave a lasting impression on your guests. From creating a relaxation space to enhancing outdoor entertainment, there are endless possibilities to make your outdoor area an unforgettable hangout spot. Remember to consider the overall ambience, functionality, and your personal style when designing your backyard. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and turn your backyard into a haven of relaxation and enjoyment. Having a well-designed backyard can significantly enhance your outdoor living experience, providing a relaxing and inviting space for unforgettable hangouts. Transforming your backyard into a chill zone doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right landscaping ideas and a touch of creativity, you can create a beautiful and functional relaxation space that will become the envy of your friends and family. In this article, we will explore some easy landscaping ideas to help you achieve the backyard makeover you've always dreamed of. Transforming your backyard into a chill zone doesn't have to be a complicated endeavor. By following these easy landscaping ideas and incorporating elements of relaxation and outdoor entertainment, you can create an unforgettable hangout spot in your backyard. Remember to plan carefully, utilize the available space, and let your creativity shine to achieve a backyard makeover that will be the envy of all. So, get ready to enjoy the bliss of outdoor living in your newly transformed chill zone.